In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Gemini API key from Google AI Studio. To get started, open your browser and search for Google AI Studio. In the search results, click on Google AI Studio to open the platform. This is where Google provides access to Gemini tools and API options, so once you're on the site, you'll be in the right place to create your key. After the page loads, look for the key icon and click it. This will take you to the area where API keys are managed. If this is your first time here, take a moment to look around so you know where your key settings are located in the future. Next, click on Create API Key. This opens the setup window for generating a new key. You'll then be asked to type in a name for the new key. Choose something simple and recognizable so it's easier to identify later, especially if you plan to create more than one key for different apps or projects. After naming the key, choose an imported project from the available options. This step links the key to the correct project, so make sure you select the one you want to use. Keeping your project selection organized now can save time later when managing usage or troubleshooting access. Once that's done, click Create Key. Google AI Studio will then generate the new API key for you. After it's created, you'll be able to see the API key details on the screen. Finally, click the Copy Key icon to copy the API key. Make sure you store it somewhere secure and easy to access, because you'll usually need to paste it into your app, script, or development environment. Also, avoid sharing the key publicly, since it's tied to your account access and usage. And that's how to get a Gemini API key from Google AI Studio.